Stuck choosing between Grok, ChatGPT, and Claude. One day you hear ChatGPT is the gold standard, then someone swears by Claude's writing abilities, while others claim Grok's personality makes it superior. Meanwhile, you're left wondering which one actually deserves your time and subscription money. If you're tired of contradictory advice and want to know which AI assistant will actually solve your specific problems, this video will end the confusion once and for all. By the end, you'll know exactly which AI assistant matches your needs, what each one truly excels at, and which subscription, if any, is worth your hard-earned money based on your workflow, not just marketing hype. At BitBiased AI, we cut through the noise with practical, unbiased insights. We've spent hundreds of hours testing all three assistants across dozens of real-world scenarios, so you can make an informed decision in the next 6 minutes. Quick overview and pricing. Let's start with the basics. ChatGPT comes from OpenAI, Claude from Anthropic, and Grok from xAI, Elon Musk's AI venture. For pricing, ChatGPT offers a free tier plus ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month. Claude has a free version and Claude Pro at $20 per month. Grok gives limited free access to all X users, with full features through X Premium at $8 per month or Premium Plus at $22 per month. But here's what really matters: how they actually perform when you need them most. Writing and content creation. For writing quality, Claude takes the crown. It produces the most natural-sounding content with superior flow and emotional depth. Whether you're crafting emails, reports, or creative content, Claude typically requires the least editing. ChatGPT comes in second with solid, reliable writing that's professional, but sometimes feels more mechanical. It's particularly good at structured content like lists and how-to guides. Grok offers the most personality-driven writing style. It's witty, casual, and engaging. But this can sometimes come at the expense of professionalism. Perfect for social media content or when you want a more conversational tone. Winner: Claude for quality, Grok for personality, ChatGPT for reliability, research and information gathering. ChatGPT dominates research tasks with its advanced data analysis feature and comprehensive web search capabilities. It can process complex datasets, conduct multiple searches per conversation, and provides well-organized cited results. Grok excels at real-time information and current events, especially anything happening on X Twitter. Its integration with social media makes it valuable for trend analysis and breaking news. Claude can search the web and summarize findings competently, but lacks the depth and analytical tools that make ChatGPT superior for serious research work. Winner: ChatGPT for comprehensive research, Grok for real-time social trends, Claude for document summarization, visual understanding, and image generation. ChatGPT leads in visual capabilities with detailed image analysis and DALL-E integration for image creation. It can describe images thoroughly and generate professional quality visuals. Claude offers decent image understanding but can't generate images. It's adequate for basic visual tasks, but doesn't match ChatGPT's capabilities. Grok currently has the most limited visual features, though this continues to evolve. It can understand basic image content, but lacks the sophistication of its competitors. Winner: ChatGPT by a wide margin. Personality and response style. This is where each AI truly differentiates itself. Grok is the most human-like and casual, with wit and irreverence that makes conversations feel natural. It's less filtered and more willing to engage with controversial topics. Claude strikes a balance, thoughtful, careful, and nuanced without being overly cautious. It provides measured responses while maintaining a helpful, respectful tone. ChatGPT is the most professional and consistent, but can sometimes feel corporate or sterile. It's reliable but may lack the engaging personality some users prefer. Winner: depends on preference. Grok for personality, Claude for thoughtfulness, ChatGPT for professionalism. Technical capabilities and special features. ChatGPT offers the most comprehensive toolkit: data analysis, image generation with DALL-E, memory across conversations, and plugin ecosystem. It remembers your preferences and builds on past interactions. Claude excels at handling very long documents, up to 150,000 words versus ChatGPT's 100,000, and provides more thoughtful analysis of complex topics. It's particularly strong with legal, academic, and technical documents. Grok provides unique features like Think Mode for detailed reasoning, Big Brain Mode for complex problems, and Deep Search for web and X platform integration. Its X integration offers unmatched social media analysis. Winner: ChatGPT for versatility, Claude for document analysis, Grok for social media integration. Free tier value. ChatGPT's free tier offers the most value. You get limited access to the premium model, then switch to a basic model when your quota is reached. Plus, all users get 5 research sessions monthly, making it valuable for students and researchers. Claude's free tier stops working entirely when you hit limits until the daily reset. However, the quality remains high while it's available. Grok gives all X users some free access, but the limitations are more restrictive unless you upgrade to X Premium. Winner, ChatGPT for sustained free usage. Conclusion and recommendations. So which AI assistant should you choose? Here's your decision framework. Choose ChatGPT if you need an all-purpose AI that excels at research, data analysis, and image creation. It's ideal for professionals, students, and anyone who wants the most comprehensive toolset with reliable performance across all tasks. Choose Claude if writing quality is your top priority and you frequently work with long documents. Perfect for writers, lawyers, researchers, and anyone who values thoughtful, nuanced responses over flashy features. Choose Grok if you're already active on X and want AI integration with social media. It's perfect for content creators, marketers, social media managers, and anyone who prefers personality over polish in their AI interactions. For most people, ChatGPT offers the best balance of features and value. But if you have specific needs around writing quality or social media integration, Claude or Grok might be your better choice. The good news? You can try all 3 for free to see which fits your workflow best. If this comparison helped clarify your AI assistant choice, smash that subscribe button and join the Bit-Biased AI community. We're dedicated to cutting through AI hype with practical insights that actually improve your productivity. Drop a comment telling us which AI assistant you're leaning toward and why. We love hearing about your real-world experiences. For exclusive AI tips and early access to our comparisons, grab our newsletter at bitbias.ai. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next deep dive.